Hello, 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 what have we got here then? Might have an eagle, hold on. Go to the flagpole. Yeah, go to the flagpole. And then come down that line of oak trees. Just come down and then there's a dead tree on the ground. Got that? And then just keep going to the left a bit. And in between the tree on the ground there's an eagle.
Oh yeah, got it. Thanks.
That's a young bird. Seems to be playing around. They're like, when they're on the ground, they're like chickens, they walk around. Sometimes they just sit and squat, you know. He's playing, isn't he? He's not messing about. That's good, because that means they're getting a bit more adventurous now. You know?
Mm. Maybe he's got a meal there in front of him.
He might have something there. They feed them rats.
Right.
Not. You can buy these things, you know, like rats, especially bred for raptors and that. You know. I know that because the lady I asked, oh, he's playing around, isn't he?
Yeah.
As though he's got something and he's just playing with it. You could be right. He might have something there.
Yeah. Otherwise, you know, he's quite interested in that spot in front of him.
Yeah, he definitely seems as though he's eating.
Yeah.
Whether, as I say, whether it's something he brought with him or he's caught something, but I can't see whether he's got a white towel. He's got a white towel, then one of the older birds from breeding.
Oh.
For the young bird, they don't get their towel for a couple of years. Then that way out, straight out. They're up in the air, right? Well, they're just dropping down. They're right on the. Oh, they dropped down behind the. Oh, I've got three up now.
I got two. Yeah. Oh.
There's one higher up. One lower.
Oh, beautiful. Got a good shot.
And just playing a bit. That's four. Graceful, aren't they, really?
Mm-hmm.
Gone beyond the oak trees now. Let's go to our friend on the ground. He's still there.
Yeah.
He's moved away a bit.
Oh, I see. He's moved to the right a bit by the dead tree.
That's right.
I'm afraid it's getting hazy for my camera now to stop today.
I mean, this is a good scope, but
it's not focusing very well on it.
No, it's pretty hazy.
Yeah.
The heat's coming off the ground too.
It is, yeah.